Standard consent forms are an easy-to-edit, text-based form you can build within IntakeQ. These forms generally have less client input, so are typically shorter than questionnaires. Consent form settings are available at the top of the form, allowing you to require a patient signature, enable provider and assistant witness signatures as well. When you first create your consent form, you'll be given a blank box to work with. You can start from scratch or paste in text you already have and then edit within our formatting to make it more digitally dynamic. The black toolbar at the top has various functions you can use to format or even add in links or images. Insert field is an option to ask for input from your clients, such as their name, date of birth, as well as checkboxes, radio buttons, and initials. If your form groups client input fields together, you can also use Insert Form to add a section of various questions within the consent form. Lastly, placeholders allow you to enter variables that can be populated with data we already have on hand, such as the practitioner name. Once you're complete, or throughout your consent creation, you can scroll to the bottom of the page to preview your form. You can now use this form as a part of any of your intake packages or send it directly to your clients.